All right, guys, it's October 26th, and I'm almost done with this month on the Amazon Influencer Program. So today I wanted to jump on and tell you guys my 90 days of earnings, which I'm not at the end of the month yet, but I still want to show you guys what exactly I made in my first 90 days on the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, if you watch my first video, which I'll link up here, I go into some of the strategies that I used when I first started and that I'm still using today, but it's pretty informal. It goes step by step on what I'm doing. And this video is just going to be about earnings report and about that 10x strategy that I told you guys about that I was going to try and that I implemented. So with that being said, let's get started. So for the very first month, I made $76. And that was with roughly about 50 videos. And then the next month in September, I went ahead and made about $96. So that was a little bit bump increase. That was with about 70 videos. And now we're sitting at October and the month's not even over. And I'm at 114. So I'm expected to make maybe somewhere around 125 to like 130 for my third month. So you add them all together, I mean, it's roughly $300. And for a side hustle that's brand new, I mean, it's pretty great. Look, you don't have to be a pro at recording. A lot of the videos I make, they're not top-notch quality. It's more about the information that you're sharing with the people on Amazon that's going to help them make a purchase, basically. It doesn't have to be like a crazy scripted review. It could be a video just like this, showing you a product like this microphone, right? And just telling you, hey, these are the functions. This is a microphone. This is the brand. This is why I like it. This is why I don't like it, and try to give an honest review. So with that being said, I mean, dude, it's a pretty decent side hustle, Like I've done other side hustles, YouTube being one of them. I mean, it took me a year to pretty much get monetized. And, the first paycheck, it wasn't much. It was like $100, So it's like, it takes time to make these side hustles actually work. But this Amazon one, it's great, And with this third month, I have about 93 videos. So it's not like I made a whole bunch more videos the second and third month. And yet it's still paying. It acts like a form of like passive income, semi-passive income. Because that's just how it works. Like, let's say I stop making videos. Well, next month, it would still pay me. So that's a pretty sweet thing about Amazon. And look, we're in the fourth quarter. Everyone is starting to buy a bunch of stuff right now because it's coming closer to like Christmas time, and this is like the busiest time for Amazon, so it's the best time to get in. And my plan is to make another 50 videos next month. I seem to keep falling short of that 100 video mark, but I'm sure on the next video I make of these, I'm going to be well over the 100 mark, and we'll be going over my numbers. And I can't show you the exact charts from Amazon because they restrict that, and they kind of don't like you sharing those things because they could actually ban your channel. And I've actually had my channel on Amazon deleted the very first month because I was doing like screenshots and posting them on Instagram. You can't do screenshots of the product pages from Amazon because they're like copyrighted. So that's a big tip. Make sure you look into all the community guidelines. Amazon is really strict on what you can do in your videos. Like you can't have music. There can't be certain words that you use, or else they'll just flag the video and they won't let you post it. And then obviously it's almost like YouTube where you get the strikes and then they ban your channel. Well, Amazon's the same way, but YouTube helps you a little bit more on that front. Well, as far as Amazon goes, I mean, we have November and December. I would love to get to like 200 videos by the end of the year, and making about $250 a month. And I know those are going to be like a little bit inflated because of the high season, but it's all right. I mean, it's still a good side hustle that's not taking a bunch of my time. My wife helps me a little bit. Like I've been asking her to give me a couple videos, and I just do some voiceovers. I've done it with my daughter. She throws me a couple videos, and then I do some voiceovers. You can get creative with this stuff, but if you are going to use your kids, make sure that you come out in the video, or your voice comes out in the video somehow, because kids under 13 can't really post those videos on their own. There has to be an adult presence. So I've tinkered with it, and I haven't gotten in trouble yet, so that's good. It looks like I've been playing it safe with that. So finally learning from my mistakes, because I've made a lot of mistakes even on YouTube. So this is why I'm making this video, just to give you guys kind of an insight of like what exactly is going on with me with this program. So let's go ahead and just jump gears real quick and let's talk about the 10x strategy that I talked about before. So about reselling and flipping the free products that I get on Amazon. This is what I've been doing. Okay, I get the products, I use them, I clean them up, and I post them on OfferUp. I post them on Facebook Marketplace. Then I post some of them on eBay too. So I started my eBay account, which I am going to go pretty hard on this next month of November. I'm going to really go all in into eBay and reselling. So that's another side hustle. I mean, I'm just like a side hustle dude, man. I've always had side hustles and I love it. I love to try it. I used to be an eBay seller back in the day. Well, going back to this month, man, like on my spreadsheet, if you look at the numbers, it's like I broke it down to like Amazon. So far it's made me like 115. YouTube, it's been like in the 100 range. And like Facebook Marketplace, I've sold like $400, man. That's crazy. It's like the reselling game is strong, man. And then OfferUp's a little bit low. OfferUp is not that great. I mean, Facebook Marketplace is definitely a better place. More people hit you up. There's more traffic on Facebook Marketplace. OfferUp, not so much. I mean, I'm posting the same exact listing on OfferUp, and you just get less people, man. As far as eBay is going to take a lot longer to sell things, and you won't get. I'd say you won't get as much on certain items like shoes and clothes and stuff like that. But eBay's game is a whole different thing than Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. With eBay, you want to sell stuff that will sell and that you can get rid of quickly, like your inventory, so you can stock up on more. And there's also obviously the sourcing part of it, where you can go and find stuff like at yard sales, Salvation Armies, stuff like that, where you can pick up a lot of items and just flip them. And people do that, dude, for full time, Or you can do like the more like unique and more expensive stuff too. People don't like to ship big products on eBay. So anyways, going back to if I 10x my earnings on Amazon flipping stuff, I definitely have, because from my first month it was $75, and over here flipping this stuff, I mean, I haven't actually 10x'd it. I've more like 4x'd it from what I made on my first month to what I made on reselling stuff. If you put everything together on the reselling game for this month, I've already resold like $500 worth of stuff. So, compared to like less than 100, it is working. So a lot of people will get lazy if they get those free products and they won't want to flip them or list them. But hey, man, it's still money. It's still products that people will want to buy off of you. And as long as you give them a good listing, you're very responsive, you keep it really professional, and you back up what you say. Like if you're going to meet someone, dude, just be there available. Be available as much as possible. If you want to meet them at your house, that's cool. But if not, you can meet them at like a public place, or you can take the item with you and just, if you're planning to go to like a game or a party, then you can just meet them outside. People do this all the time, man. You probably haven't even noticed, but people that are in your family, like, where'd that person go? They probably went to go sell something, it's crazy. But hey, man, like the whole goal of this video really is just to show you guys what money I'm making, what's possible. And like I said, I don't know if you guys are interested in this kind of stuff. I know my channel is all about cooking, but man, if I can help people, I'm going to do it, because that's just me. I like to try to help people in any way, because people have helped me, man. Like I got a great family, great friends around. So any chance they get to help me, they do. And then I try to repay it the same way. Even if friends or family don't even watch this video, I consider some of you guys the regulars that do come on and watch these videos. Maybe you're not commenting, which is cool, but if you can, that'll be great. Or hit the thumbs up. Helps the algorithm, man. Helps other people watch it, And yeah, man. So this is really the end. I'm gonna post my income report next month, and I'm just gonna do it every month. I'm gonna do it every month, regardless. And I'll post numbers from Amazon, Facebook, OfferUp. I'll break it down, and even eBay and my YouTube, and I'll show you guys my exact numbers. I kind of went through the numbers, and you would think a channel with like 100,000 subscribers would be killing it on YouTube. Well, it doesn't make that much. It doesn't make as much as you think, because the cost per ad is not that high for a cooking channel. So I'm not killing it like, let's say, an investing channel, which they make like $20 per 1,000 views. Well, for me, it's only like $2, so it's a lot less, so, this is also why I'm doing different side hustles, because I want to grow all these incomes up. And I love to start businesses. That's another reason. But if I can do this and it can help me pay off some of I have a few debts I want to pay. I want to help the kids and pay for their extra trainings for soccer. I mean, every bit helps, you guys. So, I know you guys are out there and you guys are probably thinking, man, maybe I can do this. Well, I'm here to tell you that you can. And if you guys do need help, just hit me up with the comments, man. I'm more willing to help you. I'm not selling the course on this or anything like that. I'm just trying to see who's interested and who's watching. And I'm definitely here to help you guys. I watch a lot of YouTube, and people that post stuff that's helpful, I really appreciate it. And I'll keep coming back and watching their stuff. If it's eBay, it's about stuff about Amazon, or growing my YouTube channel, anything really. But if the dude's offering some solid advice or some insight into what it looks like, then I'm hooked, man. I'm your fan, and I'm going to watch, I'm going to like, I'm going to comment, all good. So with that being said, are you guys going to watch the MLS Cup? I'm a big soccer fan. I got my Miami shirt. I'm a Messi fan. Obviously, I'm going for LAFC, guys. I'm from LA, so I'm going for LAFC. Go LAFC, go Bawanga. I still like Miami, mainly for Messi, okay? But, I do like Miami, and they have some pretty damn good players on their team. So I'm hoping it's a Miami LAFC final. And if it is, damn, man, it's up for grabs. But I'm still going to be rooting for LAFC. And, a little different, man. If your kids are into sports, just drop a comment, man. I want to know what kind of sports they do. And let's just chat about it in the comments. Why not, man? But that's it, guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.